fine.
Go to that gentleman.
It's all water stuff here, so I won't be able to record much.
Oh my god. Look at those. Oh my god.
Oh wow.
What?
That's what we saw in the picture.
Snowman?
Oh, okay. I missed looked at it. I thought you fell off like the top up there. Like you went. I was like, well, shit. I guess we're dying today.
He's doing the whoa. Whoa. Oh, you know what? Just for this amazing snowman, you get a free prize for that one. Excellent.
Yeah, our stuff is going in lockers, so this is probably all I can record here, because my phone will just get ruined.
There we go. Alright guys, take the memories.
I'm sure all our stuff will fit in that.
Wait, what's the new move for?
Our day at Blizzard Beach, everyone's going home because the water park closes at 5, and it's starting to rain, thunder, and lightning. So we're trying to get everyone out of the pool. We went on pretty much everything. The lazy river here was really cool and fun and big, better than the one that we have at Raging Rivers in our area.
Situation.
They have 2 wave pools, 3 tube slides. It was a lot of fun. So, nothing. And we're going to Magic Kingdom and Epcot tomorrow.
Did I forget to put sunscreen on my ears?
Are you sunburnt?
It looks like it's a little sunburned.
There's a lost children area, and there was guys dancing. There's a guy with like sunglasses, and he was dancing like really funny. He was a worker here. Oh, this is a winter themed water park, so they play Christmas songs here.
Driving me nuts.
Whoa.
Might be a while though.
Yeah. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
There's also some racing slides too.
I won, by the way.
The rain and everything.
The only thing I didn't do was that really tall slide, the one that goes like the highest. And I didn't do the curvy slide race either. Like I said, I wish I could have walked around and showed you the water park, but like I said, I don't have any type of protection for this phone yet, so I couldn't do that. Oh.
Yours?
Those are waterproof sandals, apparently.
Strong thunderstorm today. It says 50 miles per hour wind.
Oh my. Yeah, we were doing the tube slide as our last ride, and they were wanting us to hurry because of the thunder. I mean, lightning. What?
fucking get off.
Yeah. And people still kept going and going. Yeah, this park has everything Raging Rivers has, plus a lot extra. So, Raging Rivers is mini compared to this place. I said Raging Rivers is mini compared to this place. The tube slides at Raging Rivers are faster, though.
Not raining as hard as yesterday, though.
It's probably going to start, though. Waiting for a taxi. Yeah.